Hands! 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 Get on, get on, get on. Hands! Hands! Hands!
Come right at it.
Alright, 102, he's at the Goodwill parking lot. You got units trying to box him in.
Oh,
102, we boxed him in, boxed him in. Watch your crossfire. He's opened the door. He's shooting. He's got a gun. Suspect down, roll EMS. Shots fired.
That's clear. Shots down, suspect down.
312.
4.
Go ahead.
102 units, watch your crossfire. Suspect's down at the Goodwill parking lot, corner of Greens and Greens Point Drive. 102, roll EMS.
They finally go from release the vehicle.
Clear. EMS around.
Receive. All jet review.
102, suspect still moving. Shots fired. 102, he's reaching for the shotgun. He's reaching for the weapon.
He's got a bulletproof vest on.
4 o'clock.
Alright, 102, hold the air. Suspect's still down. He's still moving.
No more units coming in. You're under crossfire. Get back.
102, no more units. Watch your crossfire. Find cover. Watch your crossfire. No more units.
11 o'clock.
Alright, 102, suspect's no longer moving.
Traffic, 1 o'clock. Traffic, 11 o'clock.
Alright, units are approaching.
Traffic, 9 o'clock. Traffic, 7 o'clock.
SWAT. Everybody else.
Come right at us, come right at us, right here. Right here, right here, right here. Hands, hands, hands! Cease fire! Cease fire! Back up, back up, back up! God damn it, dude! We're standing right fucking here! Wait, hold on, wait, Dex, hold on. Wait. Let him have it, let him have it, let him have it. Come right at us, right here. Pin him, right here. Right here.
He's at the Goodwill parking lot. You got units trying to box him in.
Get on.
Hands, hands!
He's down. All right, I'm shifting. Hey, watch the crossfire, Watch these guys, watch your crossfire. God damn it, dude. We're standing right fucking here. He's reaching. Watch out, he's reaching for that gun. Wait, hold on. Wait. Let him have it. Hey, stop. Give me your hands. Give me hands. 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 I got it. Hey, did y'all shoot?
This suspect essentially accepted his death certificate signed by the way he hopped out, gun slanging. Not only was he completely outnumbered, but this was the SWAT team, and these guys mean business. During the chase, the suspect phoned into police warning he was wearing body armor and this wouldn't end well. The overall chase lasted more than an hour. This same vehicle is suspected of shooting up a police station earlier in the week.